we're going to do now, we're going to move away from the All Manning Cup team starting 11 to the Dacosta Cup starting 11, which I believe is going to be possibly tougher. Alright, Shane. Alright, boss. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna go to the Dacosta Cup starting 11. No. Let's go to the Dacosta Cup starting 11. No, goalkeepers. Let's go to the goalkeepers. Now for the season, you want me to go? Me to go with Gooden for this one. You want me to go with Gooden? I've seen Gooden in 2 penalty shootouts where him jump up big to save Glenure. Two penalty shootout, Mr. Gooden go to save Glenure. Even though Burrell got one, but when we got penalty shootout, them actually switch Burrell out of the goal for the next goalkeeper. So I'm gonna go Gooden with the goalkeeper. Right back now. Cheers. This is where trouble come in. What's the app name, MG? I don't app on website. It's a website me I use, man. Football Formation Creator. Look at the defender now for the Dacosta Cup. We have Orlando Lee Blake, Boat Barrett, Dante Campbell, Atiba Green, O'Neal Headley, Devante Hodges, Tarek McKinley. So for the right back, Atiba. Left back, ooh, this one tough, you know. This one tougher than me think. This one tougher than me think. NB Boat Barrett. Barrett. Oof. Barrett and Edley. Midfield now. Woo! Hey! Yo! Yo, this rough people. Bombard Star. Ah, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Yo, Jesus, peace. Yo, people is rough. People can not go want some help with the one. People not go want some help with the one. No, but three midfielders, put three midfielders. blouse and skirt. You I think about this I want to know people because really and truly, oh make Ooh. Douglas. Hall. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Clear Clark Spence. Yo! Jesus, Spence! Uh, Kyle Gordon. How am I going to for Kyle Gordon? I'm going to for Kyle Gordon. D-Cup side don't need so much defenders. Let's defend us something do. Yeah man, it's an upper pressure man. Them fi under pressure man, I know me fi under pressure so. Malik said all nothing JAMG. Really? I never know that. Why I say that? Me don't know. Yeah, tell me now. Gamebird said Cummins. Let's defend us. So what you want to do? Go to a back tree? What if you use a back tree? Three defenders, 3-4-3. Alright, so I'm gonna go 3-4-3. So I'm gonna go 3-4-3. It's still gonna be the same. It's still gonna be the same, man. I think it's still gonna be the same. I think it's still gonna be the same people. I don't think not much change about it. Still gonna be the same man. 3-4-1-2. 3-1-2. Oh, so him gone abroad. Alright, so take out all them say. Them say all not there. So everybody else say all not there. So I'm just take out all and put Clark. Alright, so I'm go so boom. 2, 3, 4, 5. How that look, people? How that look? Then say because then say all not go there. So all people at them say all not there. No man, Douglas play everywhere on the pitch, bro. But I wanna just tell me say why? Wanna just tell me say all not go there, you know? See the people. That is it, people. That is it. That is it, people. We don't hear nothing official about Hull, so keep him in. All right, Romeo. She said D Cup 3, Manning Cup 1. Big up yourself, Unseen. Reggae Dan said Douglas is a left footer playing left midfield. No, Douglas play everywhere. Yeah, Reggae Dan, Douglas play every single way. Everywhere in play. Everywhere. So I don't think he have a specific position. Douglas plays every single year. D Cup 5-0 Manning Cup. Crazy stuff. Alright, so what me I go do? Me I go make it official. I think that's it for the Dacosta Cup. Hopefully people like it. Hopefully. We know people are gonna beat me because they must say everybody are gonna say their favorite player should have in it still. Everybody are gonna say their favorite player should have definitely been in it.